Welcome. If you've ever wanted to browse Instagram highlights from your PC, the latest update makes it easier than ever. Whether you're catching up on a friend's adventures or exploring your favorite creator's best moments, you can now enjoy highlights right from your desktop. Let's walk through the simple steps to get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and heading to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the profile that contains the highlight you want to view. Type in the username, select the correct profile from the search results, and click to enter their page. Once you're on their profile, take a look just below their bio section. Here, you'll find the highlight icons. These are usually displayed as small circular images. Each circle represents a different highlight collection that the user has chosen to share permanently on their profile. Now comes the fun part: browsing their highlights. Simply click on any of the highlight circles that catch your eye. This will open up the stories saved within that particular highlight. You can use the navigation arrows or simply click through to move from one story to the next at your own pace. With this new update, you don't need to rely on your phone to enjoy highlights. Whether it's travel diaries, behind-the-scenes moments, or special announcements, you can experience all the curated content right from your computer. Take your time to explore, and don't forget that highlights often showcase the best moments and memories from each account. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can easily browse Instagram highlights on your PC and stay connected with the content you love. Enjoy discovering new stories and reliving memorable moments, all from the comfort of your desktop.